Today's video deals with undoing nuts from rusty bolts. A lot of the problem that you get is material that's in the thread pattern binds up in the bolt and it becomes very hard to turn, and more often than not it's rust. So today I'm going to use the grinder with a cup brush to clean the threads up to make bolt or nut removal quite easy. It's going to get a little loud and a little dusty. If you can zoom in a bit, please. You can see the threads are a little cleaner now. There's no material to get in the way. And that's how you take it off relatively quick and easy. If you don't have a wire cup brush, soak it with transmission fluid, let it sit for a bit, then hopefully you've got the handheld wire brush. Clean up the threads and easy removal. On this one, more often than not, has a nylon insert to make it hang on really good and tight, which is really bad for getting all the rust in because it won't move after that.